In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your display language on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select time and language on this panel here. So select the time and language tile, and then select language on the left side. On the right side, you can select where it says Windows Display Language. Click the drop down, and then if you have other languages installed, you can select them from there. You can also go adding additional display languages by selecting the Add a Language underneath Preferred Languages. It'll have to download and install the language pack though first, and then once it's installed, you can set it as the Windows display language up here by clicking the drop down again and selecting the appropriate language. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.